hoping that my soul will be clean. All I gotta do is believe. 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 God nobody believe. We like a fire. We love. We need time. We need so much space. Stretching my breath, rest on my back pocket, stretching my block. And I need some get some money, get some money. But I find out from my brother, yeah, on this free bus, we will. I'm trying to feed them people because they're weekly. Sometimes feed them people because they're the duty. I'm strong like don't rain on me. Don't do no plans because the really ain't got on me. My son is dying, but the nigga still be. If I have no love to you, they shit ain't got on me. I told God don't forget his first name. But I'm burning up the ground, begging Jesus. And you got it out the mud, how the fuck you end up me. What the fuck I look like? That's the way I'm some beats. You can lock up out and break it, but get inside of me. I'm trying to bust a mess so I can hide all my people. No one to kill a black man, but me trying to prove. Hey, damn. I forgot that like I'm recording. I think I'm still about to record. Damn. I what's good people? What's going on? What's happening with everyone out there? Well, it's your boy Hagen, and I'm back with another video. This is just a basic video. I call this a weekly market update analysis. So, like we all knew that on Sunday, I uploaded with with potential market directions from 10 pairs, which I always look at when I'm analyzing. So on NAS, we start off with the daily time frame. So, okay, my Opera being too slow today, and it did respond that it's not working okay. So I said on my weekly outlook, if we get a breakout of this level, we're looking further to take more continuation buys to the upside. But if price fails to break and if Monday we have a big candle close, then that's a high continuation that we will have a double top, hangman pattern, bear close, bear continuation before. So on the 4H, so on the 4H, we did have this level marked out since before. So and now I used this channel looking for potential buys, and I use this channel looking for potential sales. So we all know that like if we have a bullish or a bearish channel, just trading either to the upside or to the downside, and if we have a breakout, if price is pushing clearly, okay, let's do this. If you have a bull channel of price pushing to the upside and have a break of the channel and you have a retest, what's the signs that we might be having a potential reversal? Then there's a high chance that like price will continue reversing before. But sometimes it does fake and trap buyers and sellers, but at the same time, it's a confluence to add into your signal. So now we did have now on our channel a price that failed to break, giving us a double top, a break of that level, a retest of that level, and a continuation to the downside on the 4H. So to me, the only thing that I'm looking for on continuation buys, that's sells, I mean, is once price breaks out of here, comes back for a retest if it would before me, or if it does continue trading at the level which I marked out right here from the hourly time frame. So looking at the 1H, we do see a level which price is printing out before me. So to me, if price fails to break this level and continues with this bearish momentum, then I'll be looking for continuation trades to the downside. And oh, I'm in a few trades right here, which I took yesterday. with this big candlestick momentum push confluence to the downside. But I was waiting for price to break out of this level, which I had from last week, the week before, which price did clearly break out nicely, came back for a retest and failed to continue moving to the upside, and we had that big momentum stepping in. So, like I always say, trading is not hard. The psychology of trading is the hardest part. The form. So yeah, on NAS, I still see continuation sells to the downside. On gold I won't do much because we had a correction and we're still trading in that correction. We're still trading in a correction, but we have a potential breakout twice. So the only thing I'm waiting for is for a confirmation of bear momentum to step in, for confirmation that like yeah, price is clearly breaking out of this level. But on this one, it's just a basic analysis of price breaking out, coming back for retest with a potential double top and bear momentum that might step in for confirmation that price did break out and retest and gave us a double top for continuation to the downside. US 30, German 30, yeah, even on German 30, like I did say, we're waiting for buys once price breaks this level, but price did fail to break that level, and we had this break of our bear channel, and we had this pullback, and then this continuation move to the downside. So the only thing I'm waiting for on German 30 is for that momentum to step in for confirmation that we are clearly moving to the downside and clearly indicating that lower low, lower high continuation structured behavior to the downside. Oh my God. Okay, looking at US 30, like I also said on USDD, I did remove some things because yeah, price did fail to go move to the upside. I had this correction which I was looking at, which was right here, and we had price pushing to the upside, breaking this level, breaking this correction, coming back for retest inside, continuing to the downside, breaking again this lows. So what's happening on NAS, I'd say it's happening on US 30, but don't don't stick to it that much. Just say it's a correlation. It adds confluence if they do correlate, but not always. Because during 1530, when NAS was moving to the downside yesterday, USD had the candles to the upside. So you follow me. It does add that confluence, but not always. You follow me. So USD CAD, we were looking for fail. Okay, we were looking for a continuation break of these lows for price to continue moving to the downside. But price didn't indicate that. Okay, like okay, yeah, price didn't indicate that. And price gave a potential double top and that strong push to the upside and that retest and that exhaustion phase and price breaking out of this channel, which we were looking for that touch 1, 2, 3, but price failed, broke out, came back for retest inside of the channel, and broke out again. So yeah, USD CAD we were looking for sales, but the structure kind of like changed. So you don't always have to stick to your plan if you can see that the market is failing to go your plans to go your way, because not everything will go your way in life. Not only in trading, but in soccer and basketball, every career phase, bro. Not everything will go your way. You just need to stay consistent, believe in yourself, just keep on doing what you have to do, and just hope for the best. So yeah, USD CAD, we still have continuation to the upside. So Tesla, like I said, the price fails to go break that high, this level I was looking at, but it did break out and broke in. So I was looking at the current structure on the 15-minute time frame. This was an intraday correction, which we had until price broke out. You follow me? This intraday correction, which we had until price broke out. Boom. Now we have it here. What's there to say that like price won't continue with this breakout? So um so on Tesla, we were looking for continuation buys if price breaks out of the sell zone, continuation sells if price fails to break, which it failed to break. For me. So Bitcoin, oh, Bitcoin is like beautiful because sorry, I did indicate it failed to break of this level, which we did have, and price and price and price and price and price just continue to the downside. So now to break it down, not from the 4H or any time frame, but on the 1H, we did have this correction we were trading from, right? This correction we was trading from, price was bouncing off the highs and the lows. Price was bouncing off the highs and the lows, right? So now with that, we all know if price corrects, we'll only wait for a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. And we did have price breaking out to the downside, correction, break, bull flag, bear flag, I mean, and we have a potential correction to the downside. So we did have that analysis that like if price breaks out, we're looking to take the continuation buys. But if price fails to break, we're looking for those continuation sells to the downside. Even on Ethereum, plus Ethereum was beautiful because we did have what the price breaking out of our channel on Sunday when I was analyzing on the previous video. We go check it out if you want to. I'm not telling you to if you want to. So we did see price breaking out on Sunday. What was Sunday? The 10th. Yeah, the 10th. Price did break out on the 10th before me. So we were only looking for a retest of this level or potential stronger trade to the downside. But either way, we never got there. The only thing that we had to confirm this, it was a pin bar, bear close for continuation move to the downside. People, you need to know your structure, your behavior, your patterns, your candlesticks. Like you need to know everything, but you just have to be patient with yourself. So yeah, those are just clean cells which I could have executed from here. And this bear candle close before me, which were just clean cells which I could have executed, could have got the trades. But either way, we move. So yeah, I analyzed today, woke up today and saw this bear flag and was just like bear flag sells at breakout. We do have a price breakout. Okay, let me go roll out my food because I'm cooking some spaghetti. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. Up here we on Bitcoin. So okay, I woke up today. And I woke up. Okay, when I woke up today, I saw that like price did breakout correction and did have a retest of it. Oh, but what I saw, it was a flag pattern. Like I say, you need to know your structure, your behavior, your patterns, your candlesticks. So now with this push phase, with this push phase correction, push, that's a bad flag. So I still see continuations to the downside on Bitcoin. Last but not least, it's oil. I did say on oil that I'm only waiting for break of this highs for continuation with TP at the break of break wall. We still see a stronger continuation to the upside, but price is kind of like trading in a correction, which is it has been trading from as resistance, support. Now it's our support for me. So I can't say much on oil because I don't see much, but this is not history. That's that, and yeah, yeah. So yeah, I don't want to make the video be too long, and I don't want to make it be a bit complicated. You all know what I did on the previous video. I'm looking for continuation buys that breaks out, that bullish breaks out, fill to break. I'm looking for that sell momentum, which I did have. So can I please look at, okay, what's the date today? It's the 12th, Thursday is the 13th, the 14th. We have Bank of America and other financial banks, which will be reporting the quarter 2 earnings. So on Thursday, we have JP Morgan Chase, which is JPM. We all know him. So can you look at JPM before we end the video? Can you look at JPM? And it's been a while since I analyzed this. It's been a minute. So, okay, looking at current price, let's not look at history and just complicate ourselves. I have this diagonal support, diagonal resistance, and I have this break off channel. I have my break off this intraday channel. So on Thursday, the only thing I might be waiting for is for price to come react on this level here, which I might put this here if it might potentially spike and just reverse, or price might just jump because now we do know that like we're not sitting okay in our fundamentals in our banks. There's inflation, there's high interest rates, and all the other aspects which are just destroying the markets. So yeah, and I see a falling wedge, which might indicate a buy, but that's not what we're looking for. So if price breaks out, it might go to the upside because price did break out once, but didn't maintain it to show that like it is weak. So I believe that like the earnings will be weak, but I pray and hope that like price comes back to some of those levels to get a stronger reaction, which is JP Morgan. Who's the next one? Let me look at my phone. Morgan Stanley. Same shape, different trading. And I haven't looked at Morgan Stanley in a while, like in my entire life. So I might just try and do this. Boom. I could have had this as my support before me, and I could have this as my high. And I'll be sitting in a clean channel. Like I want to be quick on this. Quick, 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 quick. Because I'm almost done with everything. So on the daily time frame, we're still trading outside the support level, but we're still inside of it if you can tell. So I would only need to do this now, just so I can be comfortable with what I'm doing. I can't say much on the 4H because jumpy, jumpy. And even on the 1H, I can't say much. But I can't say much. Nah, I can't say much. I'm just being extra. I'm just being extra. To the first one from here, or it's a breakout from here to here. Those are my two takes. So yeah, it's your boy once again, Adam. And I'm done with the video. I'm done with it. My food. I need to prepare my food right now. So y'all can see what we doing, what we finna be on, what we finna be at, what we known for. People who always watch my live trading videos can tell you that like those are the type of trades Harlem catches. But we ain't bragging, we ain't bragging, we ain't bragging. Ain't about that, ain't about that, ain't about that. Oof. So I could have been triggered by this breakout. So if you ain't trading with Tyler, who the fuck is you trading with? That's the only question I keep asking myself. If you ain't with Tyler, who was the fuck you with? Who was the fuck you with? So it's your boy once again, and Harlem, and I'm signing out. Peace, peace, peace and love, peace and love.